I've had a lot of trouble with my Sky broadband and landline connection here. I've been here since June 2016, and since February this year, my broadband's been playing up. I've been on to Sky several times about this. I went through the complaints procedure, and the manager emailed me back with three A4 size pieces of paper telling me to disconnect my landline and take the wires out and everything and start messing around with the electrics inside the phone connections. I've complained about it several times. I even told them that if it's not fixed and that, I'll leave and go elsewhere. But all they keep saying is, oh, they apologise for the inconvenience. We'll talk you through it step by step. I'm no electrician. I'm not a BT guy. You know, I shouldn't have to be taking telephone sockets apart. But like I said, this internet's been fluctuating now since end of January, beginning of February. Now we're coming up to the end of April, and it's still a problem. But obviously, they don't seem to be rectifying it. So, if any of you guys have got Sky and you've got broadband service with this particular company, be prepared that they're not that helpful at all. So you may just have to try and figure out the issue yourself. They say that if you've got anything that's metal next to it, and that it can cause a problem. Now the only thing I've got next to my monitors, you can see, is my is my printer, and obviously my computer itself. So I can't see. There's no electric wires anywhere. There's no metal anywhere else. It's just a printer, and most of this is plastic based anyway. So I can't see what the issue is, to be honest. But this is not the first time. When I took Sky out, I think it was in July. I had Sky for a couple of months, but they were pretty expensive. The internet was playing up back then. They didn't rectify it. I had no services for more or less about 6 months, I think it was. They kept sending Open Reach out to fix the phone line. They were saying they couldn't see where the problem was. Sky then tried to charge me through Open Reach over £100 and said I may have to have a second line put into the property. And I thought, well, what's the point of that if I've already got one here? So, you know, anything to make money out of a customer, really, isn't it? So, but like I said, the internet was okay for a while. And then, obviously, until the end of January, beginning of February, I started getting issues again. Now, there's no roadworks or anything being done. And obviously, there's no cable, I believe, running under the ground anywhere. I think it's just a wire across the road, you know, and it goes to an exchange box somewhere, whatever they do. But like I said, it's just a major pain in the neck, really, if you're in the middle of doing any paperwork, or if you're trying to make a call off your landline and the broadband goes down because it's all connected to the phone line system. You can't use your landline either. So you could be in the middle of a call and then suddenly you're cut off. You know, it's not acceptable, really, to be honest. So, like I said, if any of you guys have got Sky and you get a problem with the broadband and your landline is not functioning how it should be, then be prepared that Sky are not that helpful. The only time they seem to be really interested in you if you threaten to leave them. They'll start offering you massive discounts. So be warned, guys, okay?